In a small town, a mysterious hum kept residents awake at night. No one could find its source. "It's aliens," shouted old Mr. Jenkins, waving his cane. "Nonsense," replied young Tim. "It's the wind." The mayor called a town meeting. "We need solutions, not theories," she said. Just then, a loud snore echoed through the hall. Everyone turned to see Mrs. Thompson, fast asleep, her snores matching the mysterious hum. "Mystery solved," laughed Tim. "Mrs. Thompson, you're our alien." The town erupted in laughter, and the hum was never a mystery again.